How to master rolling your R in Spanish. Rolling your R can be challenging, but with practice and the right techniques, you can improve. Here are some steps to help you learn how to roll your R in Spanish. Relax your tongue. The key to rolling your R is to have a relaxed tongue. Tension can make it difficult to produce the sound. Position your tongue. Place the tip of your tongue against the alveolar ridge, the bumpy area just behind your upper front teeth. Create a steady stream of air. Take a deep breath and then expel air steadily through your mouth. The air should flow over the tongue and create vibrations. Practice the D sound. Start by practicing the sound of a light D, as in dog. Say da and try to maintain the tongue's position while letting the air flow over it. This can help you get used to the tongue's movement. Try to flutter your tongue. Once you feel comfortable with the air flowing over your tongue, practice making a fluttering sound. You can do this by blowing air gently while trying to get your tongue to vibrate against the roof of your mouth. Start with simple words. Use simple words that contain the rolled R, such as
perro,
dog,
carro,
car. Break them down into syllables.
perro, carro.
Focus on rolling the R in the middle or at the beginning of the word. Use visual aids. Sometimes, seeing a demonstration can help. Look for videos that focus on tongue placement and airflow. Be patient and keep practicing. It takes time to develop this skill. Practice a few minutes every day, and don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Use a mirror. Practicing in front of a mirror can help you see the position of your tongue, which can reinforce the right technique. Consider a speech coach or language tutor. If you're still having trouble, a professional might be able to provide personalized feedback and guidance. With consistent practice and these techniques, you'll likely improve your ability to roll your R. And that's it for today's video on how to master rolling your R in Spanish. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content on improving your Spanish. And remember, turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with my Spanish tips every day. See you in the next video.